When was Gujarat state established? Answer: 1st May 1960. What is the old name of Gujarat? Answer: Anarchand, land in west during Mahabharata period. What is the capital of Gujarat state? Answer: Gandhinagar. Which is the largest city in Gujarat? Answer: Ahmedabad. Which is the birthplace of our current PM Shri Narendra Modi? Answer: Vadnagar, Gujarat. How many districts are in Gujarat state? Answer: 33 districts. How many Lok Sabha seats are in Gujarat? Answer: 26 seats. How many Vidhan Sabha seats are in Gujarat? Answer: 182 seats. Who is the current Chief Minister of Gujarat? Answer: Vijay Rupani. Who is the Governor of Gujarat? Answer: Acharya Devvrat. What is the area-wise rank of Gujarat in India? Answer: 9th largest state in India. What is the population-wise rank of Gujarat in India? Answer: 5th populated state in India. What is total area of Gujarat? Answer: 1,96,024 km. What is the forest area in Gujarat? Answer: 14,757 square kilometer. What is the climate in Gujarat? Answer: hot and dry in summer, cold and dry in winter. Which are the famous museums in Gujarat? Answer: Sardar Patel National Museum, Ahmedabad; Sharad Bagh Palace, Kutch; Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Museum and Planetarium, Surat. Which is the famous fort in Gujarat? Answer: Bhadra Fort, Ahmedabad. Which are the main rivers of Gujarat? Answer: Narmada, Sabarmati, Tapi and Mahi. Which is the largest dam in Gujarat? Answer: Sardar Sarovar Dam. Which is the largest lake in Gujarat? Answer: Kankaria Lake. Which is the largest wildlife sanctuary and national park in Gujarat? Answer: Gir Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. Which is the most famous bird sanctuary in Gujarat? Answer: Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary. What is the state animal of Gujarat? Answer: Asiatic lion. What is the state bird of Gujarat? Answer: Greater Flamingo. What is the state tree of Gujarat? Answer: Banyan tree. Which is the state flower of Gujarat? Answer: Marigold. Which are the major railway station in Gujarat? Answer: Vadodara Railway Station, Surat Railway Station, Ahmedabad Railway Station and Rajkot Railway Station. Which city is known as Manchester of India? Answer: Ahmedabad. City is known as Green City of India. Answer: Gandhinagar. Which city is known as Textile City of India? Answer: Surat. Which city is known as Cultural City of India? Answer: Vadodara. Which city is known as Butter City of India? Answer: Bardoli. Which folk dance is popular in Gujarat? Answer: Garba. What is the name of folk music of Gujarat? Answer: Sugam Sangeet. What is the famous food of Gujarat? Answer: Khaman Dokla, Khandvi, Thepla, Jalebi Fafda. What is the traditional dress for men in Gujarat? Answer: Kediyu and dhoti. What is the traditional dress for women in Gujarat? Answer: Chaniya Choli. What are the famous festivals of Gujarat? Answer: Uttaran Kite Festival, Navratri, Ran Utsav. Which is the biggest temple in Gujarat? Answer: Swami Narayan Akshardham. Which is the famous temple in Gujarat? Answer: Somnath Temple. Which is the oldest temple in Gujarat? Answer: Gop Temple. Which god is most worshipped in Gujarat? Answer: Lord Krishna. What is the name of the largest cricket stadium in the world located in Ahmedabad? Answer: Narendra Modi Stadium. How many airports are in Gujarat state? Answer: 19. Which is the largest airport in Gujarat? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad. Which is the biggest university in Gujarat? Answer: Gujarat University in Ahmedabad. What is the name of the world's tallest statue located in Gujarat? Answer: Statue of Unity in Ahmedabad. Which city of Gujarat is Sun Temple situated? Answer: Modhera. Where are black bug found in Gujarat? Answer: Bhavnagar district. Which district Polo Forest is located? Answer: Sabarkantha district. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.